Okay, now it's going to be your turn to show me everything you learned about quadrilaterals. So the first thing you're going to do on this Google slide is you are going to drag the quadrilaterals to the correct spot. So you're going to look for which one's a quadrilateral, and you're going to drag that shape. You're going to look for which one's a rectangle. You're going to drag it and put it in this box. Which one's a square? Drag it and put it in this box. Which one's a rhombus? Drag it and put it in this box. Which one's a parallelogram? Drag it and put it in this box. After you've done that, you're going to go to this piece and you're going to answer these 3 questions. Please make sure you use complete sentences. So this was what it says. Answer the following questions in complete sentences. What is a square? So if you want to draw a picture of a square, that's fine, but you also have to tell me what a square is. So think about the important vocabulary words that we've talked about and how would you talk about what a square is. What makes a square a square? The next one is, what is a rectangle? Again, you can draw me a picture, but I want you to use your words and tell me what a rectangle is. And then the third one is, why is a square considered a special kind of rectangle? So really think about that important vocabulary and why is a square considered a special kind of rectangle? Whenever you're finished, make sure you turn it in. All right, see you next time. Bye.